In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add and resize container columns in card.co. We'll start from a fresh canvas and walk through placing a container, switching it to columns, and adjusting width so your layout looks clean and balanced. First, head to Card.co and log into your account. Once you're on the dashboard, click New Site. Card offers a variety of templates, but to keep everything simple and focused on columns, choose a blank page. This gives us a clear workspace and makes it easier to see how our changes affect the layout. On the blank canvas, open the Editor's panel and click Add. From the list of elements, select Container. A container is basically a wrapper that groups content together, which is perfect for creating multi-column sections like feature blocks, pricing layouts, or image and text pairings. With the container selected, look for the type setting in the panel and switch it to columns. This turns the container into a flexible grid made up of individual columns. You'll see a columns section where each column is listed with its own controls. Here's where the magic happens. Each column has a width you can edit. Widths are typically set as percentages, and they always add up to 100% of the container. If you need more than the default columns, click Add to insert another column. Each time you add one, Card keeps the layout responsive and adjusts how the available space is divided. You can assign exact widths to each column, like 50 and 50 for a 2-column layout, or 33, 33, and 34 for 3 columns. Type the values directly, and Card will automatically recalculate the others so the total always fills the container perfectly. When you change the width of one column, the remaining columns resize automatically to maintain that full width fit. This makes it easy to test different proportions quickly. A helpful tip: think about the content going into each column before settling on numbers. Wider columns suit images or longer text, while narrower columns work well for headings or buttons. Also, consider readability. On smaller screens, columns often stack vertically, so balanced content will look better both side by side and stacked. Once you're happy with how your columns are divided, click Done to apply your changes. Your container is now set up with columns at the exact widths you chose, ready for you to add text, images, buttons, or any other elements you need. That's all there is to adding and resizing container columns in Card, keeping your layouts neat, responsive, and easy to manage.